story to tell.
In 1944, as World War II entered its final stages, the British Air Ministry issued requirements for a new type of bomber aircraft, which could travel at higher speeds and at higher altitudes. The planners could not have imagined that the aircraft of choice, the English Electric Canberra, would be in service more than 70 years later. It became famous not only for its unique configuration but for its performance and handling. It was widely exported to Allied forces around the world. Even the United States produced a licensed version, the B-57 Canberra, with 403 built. Upon entering service on May 25, 1951, the English Electric Canberra became the Royal Air Force's first jet-powered bomber. In addition to being a tactical nuclear strike aircraft, the Canberra proved to be highly adaptable, serving in varied roles such as tactical bombing and photographic and electronic reconnaissance. Canberras served in the Suez Crisis, Vietnam War, Falklands War, Indo-Pakistani Wars and numerous African conflicts. In several wars, each of the opposing sides had Canberras in their air forces. Essentially, the English Electric Canberra is an all-metal, semi-monocoque construction with a canti-levered wing and a wooden vertical stabiliser. The fuselage tapered at rear in the usual way and was capped by a single vertical tail fin. The horizontal planes were low set along the tail section sides. The wheeled undercarriage was fully retractable and of a tricycle arrangement using two main legs and a nose leg. Engines were held away from the fuselage and streamlined cylindrical nacelles integrated into the design lines of the wing units, aspirating at the leading edge and exhausting at the trailing edge. The main wing assemblies were straight in their general design and not swept back. They also tapered while nearing the clip tip edges to give the aircraft a very noticeable and defined plan form. The British aircraft had a length of 65 feet 6 in, a wingspan of 64 feet, a height of 15 feet 8 in, an empty weight of 21,650 pounds, and a maximum takeoff weight of 55,000 pounds. It was powered by two Rolls-Royce Avon Mk109 turbojet engines, with 7,400 lb-f thrust each. Its top speed is 580 miles per hour, or Mach 0.88, range is 810 miles, service ceiling is 48,000 feet, and rate of climb is 3,400 feet per minute. Various avionics were installed on the Canberra, many with their origins during the Second World War. They included GH navigation, Rebecca beacon interrogation distance measuring equipment, very high-frequency radio, radio compass, radar altimeter, identification friend or foe, and orange putter radar warning receiver. Perhaps the most crucial of the mission systems was the H-2S automatic radar bomb sight, which was mounted in the nose. The Canberra could deploy many conventional weapons. Typical weapons used were 250-pound, 500-pound, and 1,000-pound bombs. The total bomb load could weigh up to 10,000 pounds. Two bomb bays are housed within the fuselage. These are normally enclosed by conventional clamshell doors. A rotating door was substituted for these on the Martin-built B-57 Canberras. Additional stores of up to 2,000 pounds could be carried upon underwing pylons.
In part due to its range limitation of just 2,000 miles, and its inability to carry the early, bulky nuclear weapons, the Canberra was typically employed in the role of a tactical bomber as opposed to that of a strategic one. In British service, many of the Canberras that were stationed overseas were not modified to deliver nuclear weapons until as late as 1957. The Canberra had a lengthy service life, serving for more than 50 years with some operators. In June 2006, the Royal Air Force retired the last of its Canberras, 57 years after its first flight. My video about the camera answer. Thank you for watching. If you find this video interesting, please give me your thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to support the channel. Goodbye and see you again in the next videos. Tạm biệt và hẹn gặp lại quý vị và các bạn trong các video tiếp theo.